What is going on, guys? Tommy back with another video. As always, we are working on mini trucks, drift trucks, whatever you want to call it. I'm getting better at holding this camera up, but I'm taking a break from the Toyota today, guys, to work on the body drop truck. Been a long time since I made a video on that. Still at the current state with this. I do plan on cleaning up all the oil and stuff before the timing comes in. So I'm gonna hop in the dirty Civic and we're gonna go down to the shop and see what's going on with the body drop truck. Alright guys, made it to the shop. Got this turd right here. I didn't mention it in the last video, but if you guys need any parts off of this thing, definitely hit me up and see if it's available. We're keeping some of it, but we're getting rid of most of it. We really need, and all the interior is not available because we're putting that in the body truck in here. But the little stuff we're letting go, like if you want a bumper, tailgate maybe. Actually, that tailgate looked pretty clean. I might hold on to that, but y'all know how it is. But yeah, definitely hit me up on Instagram. You guys should know by now, trucking with 3 eyes, and I'll let you know if it's up. All right, guys, still got the bike, man. If you guys want to see more of that content, let me know. I know it's kind of opposite of what you guys are used to watching me for, but the dirt bike stuff is pretty fun. I'm sure everybody's messed around with them. So yeah, I'll put the GoPro head mount back on and we'll ride. But we're here, body truck. Haven't really touched it, but that is subject to change. You guys do know it is winter time. Let me turn this light on for y'all. Got this thing at the old Walmart. Yeah, we haven't done much from what you guys have recently seen. We got most of the harness plugged in. We still got some ripped stuff right here, but oh hey, how you doing? But don't mind that, you guys. I put that in there myself just to hold that there. But yeah, guys, here she is. We're gonna end up pulling the entire harness back off and figure out all this crap. But we definitely got our work cut out for us, but that's why we got the other truck, because I'm gonna take that harness, chop it, and label everything. Why did I say chop it? I'm not gonna cut the new harness. I'm gonna unplug everything, label the harness, so we can match it straight to this, and hopefully we don't have to modify but so much. That's the ideal goal here. We're definitely gonna have to order some parts, like it's sitting on bricks right now, but control arms, stuff like that. But there's the firewall. I didn't go too much into detail, guys, on the video about the abandoned body drop mini truck. But we're getting there. Still no way to open it. No, I'm playing. Oh, hey, hold on, y'all. Got her open. And then I hooked my pops up with some billet door handles because we're making this is all like the 94 interior and stuff. We are going to be switching it to like, what is it, 98 to 2004. So we're going to be doing that. But man, just looking at this right here will get you worried. But that's why we're going to rip it all out. So I'm honestly just going to get in here by myself, start taking stuff out and seeing what we can find out. We are going to be getting rid of all these zip ties that I put up here to hold the harness up, because like I told y'all, I want to get this thing out of here, and thankfully it's already most of the way out of here. All this is where it goes into the firewall, to the engine bay. A lot of mess going on here. I guess we can start outside the truck. So you guys can see that is going all the way to out here. Oh God. Oh dear God. That's going all the way right here. So I'm gonna see what we can do about getting that all cleaned out and get it sucked in through there. I guess I'm gonna see if all this will fit through there. But yeah, we're gonna keep at it. Alright, y'all. Gonna start tearing into this. See what we can pull out. But boy, is it a lot. Big Q gonna hate me because he's the one that helped me do all the plugging in and finding. And one thing y'all gonna learn about me is I hate electrical connectors. They never want to come out. See that? I'm giving up on that one. We'll go to the next part. So this, we'll just set that right there because I'm not really sure what that's all about. We should be able to get this one. This one's easy enough. Maybe. Guys, I do not, repeat, do not love electrical connectors whatsoever. The nice thing is, if we break something, it ain't a big deal. But we ain't breaking nothing today, I reckon. So now we still need to get that off. That'll get one wire out. This one looks broke. It's because it is. I'm over here struggling. Alright, so that's one loom for the firewall. That's actually two because this one's not connected to nothing. This one, I'm confused. What is this? Singular wire going to the, looks like ABS. So that's like one thing I'm kind of worried about with that. But that abundance is honestly ready to be pulled through. Then we got this, which, where is this going? That's actually stuck down there. Alright, so there's this big hunk of junk going to down there. So let's go over there. Alright, we're seeing where all this goes. Looks like that goes to a little connector. Let's see if we can get it off. Alright, easy enough. What else we got going? Alright, another one through the firewall. That's good news. If I do say so myself. This. Oh, let's turn the light on. Light is on. So you can look, the YouTube magic, baby. We turn that on. Oh God, there we go. And now we know what we're doing, blindly. But my hate for connectors is coming out strong right now. Okay. And then we just got the alternator one. Man, I'm moving. Any freaking custom shops, Northeast North Carolina, need a guy. Might be your guy. Let's get some of this unplugged. It's funny how long it takes to get everything plugged in and how quick you can pull everything out. Oh, got another one down here. Oh, come on. She's almost there. There we go. Okay. Oh, yeah. What is this for? Jesus. There you go. All right. Just caught up over here. Oh, come on. Yeah. Let's see what else is tying us up. Nothing. That is it, guys. Look at that. That took me and Big Q and my dad like 30 minutes. And now, as you can see, she's ready to be, I guess, pulled through. See what we got going on in here real quick. Open the door up. Move the old notebook. All right, and is this it? Yeah, that's it right there. So actually, we can pull that out through the front. I feel like it's gonna be a pain, but oh no, we got that. We got that. Oh, y'all probably don't even see anything. So the only problem is, like, I can't get it all out at one time. So back to the drawing board. All right, so this is kind of hard to do, considering there's a tiny hole. Okay, we're making some progress. We just keep on pulling. and she'll eventually come out. We'll unplug that because we don't even know what that is. No. What is this old butterscotch looking thing? What is that? Y'all know how I roll. Oh, how you doing? I feel like this might have been executed when the firewall was cut, but man, I'm very glad we're putting a new harness in this. That is bad. Oh yeah, here they go. Let's take a look back inside. I think we're being held up by this right now. Yeah, we definitely are. Let's see. Alright, we gotta figure something out, guys. I need a door handle, guys. There you go, door handle. Alright, how are we gonna go about this ordeal? Wait a minute. I feel like this is to get like an access panel type style. So let's use some tools and cut it open. Alright guys, couldn't get those off. I keep grabbing onto the bolt and then it just wants to spin. So might have to cut a new access panel. We'll see. But I think I'm going to call it good on this truck for right now just because I don't have much time. But got a little bit done. A little bit at a time takes you a long way when working on big projects like this. Drop a comment if you guys want to see more on this. I do want to go over the parts truck with you guys real quick. So let's get to it. Alright. So this is basically almost ready to be pulled out. Just got to pull off a couple little more things. Hold on, where you at? So got the beauty piece, the radio, the cluster. We don't really need the radio, but it's good to have, I guess. No, it's not really good to have. You don't need that. Yeah, gonna pull the airbags out still, and let's see if the hood's popped on this rig. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that popped, I guess. But shut that. I hope that's shut. Hold up. What did I tell you? All right, cool. Got that shut. Now, y'all do know this truck has a blowed up head gasket. Hold on. Hold on now. All right, this truck has a blown head gasket. I didn't notice this. Ooh, carport slammed in. But what? It's in the same line of hit as this, so that what could have done that? I don't know. Maybe it's fixable. She's pretty far in there, and that's like 3 layers. If you guys can see that, it's like 3 layers. But she's a clapper. I gotta come in here and grab some parts for my bag truck because it doesn't have wipers, but I'm gonna throw some wipers in it. And then my daily needs this, which I should just go ahead and grab right now, but I'm not because I don't have it with me. Yeah, this thing is the humble abode of trucks, I guess. And any 5'3" guys out there, chasing the problem with this, you know, it likes to soot, and I haven't figured out why. But some days it literally runs like a top, some days it doesn't want to run like a top at all. So yeah, I don't know. We've done full tune-up on it. The only thing we changed was we put the cold air intake on it from eBay, of course. But yeah, and it's not having a good time. Oh, and I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, so I'll show you. Come over here to our parts bargain. Got a Toyota hood from my dad's truck over there. If you need that, hit us up. This is just my artwork over here, my yard ornament. Got an S10 fender, 22 is off my other truck. And here's the hood for the body truck. She's got a few imperfections, nothing too crazy. But the windshield washer spares are shaved, which is sweet. Oh, and another update while we're down here. Last time, you guys might have seen it on Big Q's channel, we had to load up the Blazer because that broke down in the Outer Banks. But my dad's been working on the trailer. We went from these ramps, these things are heavy, they're not long but they're heavy, to these. I mean, you can see the difference right there. And this aluminum weighs nothing compared to that. And he put a new jack on it. It's got the impact attachment on it. I'm not gonna undo it, but you guys get it. We went from this thing that we were destroying every time, but we ended up bending it so it didn't do well. So yeah, now I just throw the impact gun up there, get her done. But I think that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Trying to post more often for y'all and give y'all updates on everything. It's pretty windy out here, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But yeah, that is gonna be it. Y'all already know, working hard or hardly working. But remember, guys, 500 subs. We're close, baby. We are close. That's gonna be it, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, make sure you drop a comment, like, subscribe, and share it with a buddy.